Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Chiliz has formed another quite long up channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. And now here on this live chart, you can see that it is nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. And recently, price line is once again rejected by the resistance of this channel. Previously, I was showing you this down channel. And I was telling you that eventually the price line can break out the resistance of the channel because this is a bullish bias pattern. And I was telling you that target can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 8.45 cents. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And during this move to the upside, the price line formed this up channel, the recent up channel. Now, during this move to the upside inside this channel, recently we have also broken out this very long-term downtrend line resistance. That is the resistance of a very big and huge falling wedge pattern that Chiliz has formed on a weekly time frame chart. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that almost for 1, 2, and 3 days ago, we have also broken out this resistance. But on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that still the candlestick is not closed above the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern, and I'm expecting that soon we will have this closing above this resistance. Then Chiliz can start a very massive rally. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared a few days ago on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 104%, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal back move that Chiliz completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I click here to play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. So far, it has rallied almost 104%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Chiliz, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that previously it was moving inside this down channel, and after the breakout, it started a very massive and very nice rally. And during this move to the outside, it is forming nicely higher highs and higher lows. And now, recently, once again, it is rejected by the resistance of this channel. However, during this move to the upside, we have broken out this very long-term downtrend line resistance. This one, that is the resistance of a very huge and massive falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that for the past several months or years, it is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And now, on the smaller time frame, on a 4-hour and on the daily time frame chart, we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And I'm expecting that soon on the 7 days time frame chart, the candlestick will be also closed above the resistance of this wedge. Then this breakout will be also confirmed on the 7 days time frame chart as well. And now after this rejection, if the price will be dropped down, then here it can test the crisscross of two support levels. One will be the support of this up channel. Another one will be the previous resistance of the big falling wedge pattern that can now work as a support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target for this expected breakout will be here. For example, if the price will break it out from here, then target will be approximately at 21 cents. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance of 16.5 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that the 16.5 cents has been previously breaking out the resistance here, and resistance here, and support here. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line of Chiliz. And now on the 7 days time frame chart, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.